नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर आनंद शंकर, मधुमेह रोग विशेषज्ञ, शंकर डायबिटीज़ केयर सेंटर पटना से. Today we are going to discuss about how to identify diabetes and the pre-diabetes. As everybody knows that we are the second highest population of diabetes in the world as a country, and soon India is going to take over the China as to the position first for diabetic population in world. So we must find out how many of us are having diabetes or pre-diabetes. Dear friends, as we know, diabetes is the level of sugar increase in blood. So when the level of sugar increase in the blood, what happens? When the sugars are high in the blood but it is not going in the cell, so the cells are starving, so they are hungry, so we feel more hungry, so hunger will be increased. When they are not getting enough sugar to cell, so they are not getting a sense of well-being, so we start feeling sick, so it is a sense of well-being is lost. When the cells are not getting food, we become weak, so we start feeling weak as the day advances. Meaning so, in the early hours of the day we feel good, but as the day advances, we reach in the evening, we feel lethargic. So these are the signs of diabetes or pre-diabetes. Same way, when the sugars are high in the blood, we are passing more glucose in the urine. So we are losing glucose in the urine and we are decreasing our weight. So there is increased urine output and weight is decreased. So there is increased urine output, weight decrease, and due to that we start feeling more thirsty, means we are taking more liquid, more water. So these are the cardinal signs of find out the diabetes. But these signs only appears in 20% of diabetic patient. Rest 80% does not show any diabetic sign or symptom. So how to find out? That's why the International Diabetic Federation labeled diabetes as a silent killer. It does not appear, it silently kills. So how to find out? In India, by the ICMR and the Indian government guidelines says that who have ever seen all this symptom, they must check for diabetes. If any patient for any reason, for any illness comes to you, you must check his blood sugar level. If blood sugar level is more than 200 in random in 2 time, any day it label as diabetes. If you find that sugars are more than 200, you must confirm with the repeat fasting or PP to reassess whether sugars one value was 200 or the subjects are literally type 2 diabetes. Now, if somebody come only for your physical examination or only for to see whether a routine checkup to seek whether they are well or not, they must undergo a glucose challenge test. What is this? You take a fasting blood sugar of from 8 hours from the last meal and within 12 to 13 hours. Meaning so that somebody had taken dinner in the night, they can give fasting blood 8 hours from the dinner and within 12 hours from the dinner. If it is give before 8 hours or after 12 hours, it is not the fasting. Fasting is only considered when they have given blood sample between 8 to 12 hours from the last meal. That is the fasting sugar. If fasting sugar is less than 100, it is called normal. If it is between 101 to 125, it is called impaired fasting glucose. Means the fasting glucose neither normal not high enough to level him at type 2 diabetes. So the fasting sugar if more than 126, it is type 2 diabetes. So we check fasting sugar. Now we give 75 gram glucose in 280 ml of water and to be taken within 3 minutes, and test blood sugar after 2 hours of taking this glucose water syrup mixture, and if it is with less than 140, it is called normal. If it is between 141 to 199, it is called impaired glucose tolerance, meaning that his sugars is neither normal nor high enough to level him as a type 2 diabetes. If the sugar of after 75 gram glucose is more than 199 or more than 200, level them as a type 2 diabetes. So these are the very specific value, very specific test to be done in all our population who comes to see us in our routine clinical practice. Now suppose a lady is pregnant and he is coming for antenatal checkup. Now the Indian government has put a guideline for universal screening for all lady who conceived for glucose, to level them to find out whether they are gestational diabetes or not. What is gestational diabetes? When sugars are high during pregnancy, that is called gestational diabetes. Now what test to be done for to find out who is gestational diabetes? If at antenatal checkup clinic any lady comes, they must give for 75 gram glucose in 280 ml of water and the blood sugar tested 2 hours after that, irrespective of the last meal time. Means that that lady is not supposed to be having a fasting or not supposed to what time he has taken meal or not. So any time of the day this test to be done. If it is more than 140, 2 hours after 75 gram glucose in pregnant lady, if it is more than 140, it is labeled, it is diagnosed as a gestational diabetes mellitus, and this treatment starts from here. Now this is a single step test approved by WHO, approved by Government of India and approved by all obstetricians and gynecological society of the country, and especially in the state of Bihar. Bihar State Health Council also approved this test. Now this is only for the diagnosis. For the treatment, the fasting should be less than 90 and the 2 hours postprandial or random should be less than 120 throughout the pregnancy to better pregnancy outcome. So dear friends, today we have discussed about the how to assess diabetes, how to diagnose diabetes and how to diagnose pre-diabetes and how to diagnose gestational diabetes. We'll see you next time with some new topic. Thank you so very much.